In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the prints that comes with the lines on the page. For example, we can clearly see we have printed it, but there is a color marking on it. Go to the printer display panel. Scroll down and look for maintenance. Again scroll down. Select bottom plate cleaning and press OK and confirm it. Next step is to remove the paper from the paper tray. So we'll just remove it right now. Close the tray. Again go to the display panel and press OK. On the next page it will ask you to fold the paper. So let's fold the paper. Take a paper and just fold it from the middle, just like this. Once you do that, press OK. Next step is to load this paper. Go to the paper tray, place it here. Once you load it, you have to go to the display panel to confirm that. Cleaning is done. Press OK. Now we can take this page, remove the page, and next time you start printing, you will not notice any lines on the pages. And you can also check inside. So here we get an idea if there is a ink below there. So make sure everything looks clean and clear. Sometimes that rolling part of the printer has ink on it, but it's already cleaned, so we are good to go. Hopefully this will help you to fix your printer. Thanks for watching.